Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Canva Design. First, sign up for a free account to unlock a world of creative possibilities. Once logged in, explore the vast library of templates for social media, presentations, and more. Select a template that fits your vision, then easily customize elements like text, images, and colors to make it uniquely yours. It's incredibly intuitive and fun. Now, let's dive deeper into Canva's powerful features. You can effortlessly upload your own photos, logos, and brand elements to maintain consistency. The intuitive drag-and-drop interface makes arranging and resizing elements a breeze. Experiment with various filters and effects to give your designs a professional polish. Don't forget to explore the extensive library of free stock photos and graphics too. To create truly impactful designs, consider some basic principles. Consistency is key. Stick to a few brand colors and fonts across your projects. Establish a clear visual hierarchy to draw attention to important information. Always prioritize readability by selecting appropriate font sizes and styles. A well-designed layout can communicate your message much more effectively. Once your masterpiece is complete, it's time to share it with the world. Canva allows you to download your designs in various formats, including high-quality JPGs, PNG, or PDF, perfect for printing or digital use. You can also share directly to your favorite social media platforms with just a few clicks. And hey, if you're looking for other great deals, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.